Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got a quick unboxing of some stuff that I got from Patagonia. Let's go. Take those out of the box, throw these out. Now these are the black hole cubes. They're small, so these are the 3-liter cubes. And this one is cabin gold. This one's Anacapa blue. And I really like these. I ordered them because I also have a large and a medium size one as well. And they work great for things like electronics, toiletries. The bigger ones work great for clothes, pants, shirts, socks, underwear, that kind of stuff. So they're great for traveling. They're not ultra lightweight, so you probably wouldn't take them backpacking or something like that on that type of adventure, but maybe a travel adventure, you might want to put these in your bag. So the zippers are really easy to use. On the inside, it's just one big black hole, right? You can stick whatever you want in there. And then you've got also a nice little mesh pocket too. You can put a toothbrush in there or whatever. So I did buy these to use one as my toiletries and one as my electronics. And notice that I got different colors so that I could see them in my bag nice and easy when I travel. And so this thing, it's about the size of a walkie-talkie. Just for scale here, you can throw that in. The other thing that I really like about these is you could use something like this for organization inside of here so things aren't quite as jumbled down in the black hole. These are called Think Tank Red Whips, and if you haven't seen my video on that, check that out in the card above. But these things keep everything nice and tidy, and when you stick them in the bag, they're easy to pull out. They're red, so it's easy to find things inside of the black hole bag as well. So with that being said, here's a little bit more about them. These are made from recycled polyester, and so this lessens the dependence on petroleum as a source of raw materials, reduces waste, and causes less air, water, and soil contamination compared to using virgin polyester. So great product, great materials, and they're helping out the environment as well. So I highly recommend these. And this was typically just really an unboxing, but from a review standpoint, I've used these already, and they're extremely durable. They have loops on the bottom, you can hook them to things. They also have a really nice carry strap here on the top, so once you get them filled up, it makes it really easy to carry, easy to pull in and out of a bag as well. So these are the black hole cubes, the small 3-liter size. Check them out on Patagonia.com. They didn't pay me to do this review or anything like that. I just love these things so much that I wanted to share them with you, so hopefully they enrich your travel and adventure experiences out in the field. One way that you could help me out as well is if you'd hit that like button down below if this brought you some value, and also click the subscribe button. I'm trying to get over 1,000 followers here, and I'd really love for you to be a part of the community. So thank you very much. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.